In this video, I will show how to duplicate shapes and objects in Canva. So if you have any object selected, click on these three dots and here the option duplicate, and there is the shortcut Control plus D. So you can duplicate any shape, text, same, select it, Control D. If you have any shape, so same process, select and Control D. So this is the way you can duplicate any object in Canva. We have this triangle shape, select Ctrl D. Press Ctrl D as many times as you need. So these all are duplicate. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.